Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Don't try to talk to me like you know what this is. Yeah, I know I might have symptoms that are familiar to you, but I got this. Thanks anyway.
Don't let this eat me alive. I only can see this world from the inside, and I'm holding it inside. I can cut the back and let it go, and nothing's making sense, and I have no patience for anything, so I'm going on everything. Somebody get me out of here.
You don't see what I see, so how the hell you gonna stop these voices in my head that got me awfully rocky? Do you copy? Traumatized much from homicide, what? Don't wanna flip, but mama, I must be the one that I trust. I ain't got no friend, I ain't got no grin, but I'm macho when I lock load and I block foes in. When I stop souls in a rock hold, I'ma drop those sins. In a box so slim, inside of my knot grows grim. My hurt, it goes deep, I serve and go weep. A vertical leap when you're alert in your sleep was a word of a treatment. Somebody murdered Mo Peace. Inside of my third, it's so bleak. Done so much dirt, I grow leaf to cheap.
Don't let this eat me alive. I only can see this world from the inside, and I'm holding it inside. I can cut them back and let it go, and nothing's making sense, and I have no patience for anything, so I'm going on everything. Somebody get me out of here.
Feeling like my mind is starting to slip away from me slowly. The ones that were close to me are beginning to say that they don't know me. Don't need that love, should've listened to what my mama told me. Don't hold the devil's hand, cause hell's the only thing to show me. Just trying to live my life, in this game I'm in it to win. I try to stay calm on the surface, but really my patience is wearing real thin. I'm going crazy, my goal every day is to live with a grin, but it's hard to do when you're living your life in the life that you're living in sin. I try to sleep, but I'm scared and worried of what I'm dreaming. These demons creeping got me believing that they ain't leaving until I'm done breathing. Nothing to do but keep proceeding, so hopefully I don't fall off my rock and get to screaming. I'm praying and hoping that God will take this away. The pain inflicted in me is no pain that I can explain. No needle, no vein, my brain's inflamed. What he thought to man is someone help me break me from these chains.
Don't let this eat me alive. I only can see this world from the inside, and I'm holding it inside. I can cut them back and let it go, and nothing's making sense, and I have no patience for